To export a high-quality image from Illustrator, follow these steps. 1. Go to File and then go to Export and then choose Export As. 2. In the Export As dialog box, select Use Artboards to ensure that only the elements within the artboard are exported. 3. Choose the PNG format as the export option. 4. In the PNG options dialog box, set the resolution to 300 ppi for high-quality output. Select the desired optimization type. Type optimized for text-heavy designs or art optimized for artwork-intensive designs. 6. Choose a background color for your exported image or select transparent for a PNG with a transparent background. 7. Review the image quality by zooming in and checking for any artifacts or distortions. By following these steps, you'll be able to export high-quality images from Illustrator that meet your design needs.